pandemic and the things which are going around, we must have lost many more. So in respect, yeah. So you mean that there has to be more clarity from the registrar. Okay, what are the fees and all? Yeah.
We just said something and we just discuss how we can take a review. We can't do anything. It is active. And we can discuss it when it comes later.
With the more clarity.
The more clarity will be there.
Okay.
Active.
Okay.
Thank you.
First, we would like to remember Sri Chetan Chavan, a very versatile, also our very own, a player who played for Goa Ranji team, Sri Ferdinand Coelho of Ferdi, we used to call him. Adopt this unprecedented method. My sincere apology to you for the delay on account of lack of quorum also and with some technical problem with the website by NSDL. Without wasting much time, we will go through our business which is listed as per the notice sent to you. But before that, I would like to bring to your notice three arbitrary references. We have lost a great soul of cricket, also one of our secretary of our club. Must be many more, but we don't know. But as a respect,
as you all know, Chetan Chavan was a great cricketer in the early 70s and had batted along with Sunil Gavaskar in his time. There were many partnerships of Sunil Gavaskar and Chetan Chavan which we have witnessed during that time, and we always waited for his century, which we could never see.
हॅलो खंयसर आहात तुम्ही आता एक्झॅक्ट तुम्ही रिसेट केला तुमचा OTP 17 नंबरचा एक मिनिट हरीश Mr. Anand Mapankar. The general body agreed unanimously. The following names were proposed for junior men selection committee by club members. Mr. Akhil Gavkaram, Maratha Warriors proposed name of Rohit Asnodkar. Mr. Sushant Naik of United Cricket Club proposed name of Abrar Khan. And Mr. Rupesh Naik of Paramount Cricket Club proposed Savi Fernandez. The general body agreed unanimously. The following names were proposed for women's selection committee by club members. Nilesh Chodankar of Minerva Sports Club.
Sanghe ground was developed long back, so that requires upgradation and relaying. I don't know. We have asked our department to do the survey and submit report to me. After that report comes, we will take the decision what work to take up this. Then Porvorim ground, I think so we need to replace some sprinkler system or drainage system. That also we have told them just to identify. This work we are doing this year because we have a time, because I don't know when cricket will start. So better, better do all our infrastructure and get ready for the next season. As far as if Ranji Trophy starts, then thanks to Chetan and Balu, we have got Ashok Dinda, who is an India player, who will be playing for us this year, along with Amit Verma, and then also we are looking for a wicket-keeper batsman which they are on the lookout. As far as clubs are concerned, we have distributed kits and apparels to them last year. Also, we have told them the grant of 1 lakh rupees will be given to them, but due to lack of funds, or then we had a lot of bills to pay during COS time in BCCI when the funds were not clearing. We have almost cleared all those bills. So now we will be releasing these grants to all our clubs, provided that they comply with the pattern of assistance and pattern of spending policy which GCA and general body has enacted.
So basically, how long it can take for the games to start again over here?
See, as told to you earlier, this is my personal opinion, nothing to do with GCA. But I feel that till the time vaccine comes, cricket is not possible. Because all players' security is our priority. So I don't know. It's all depend upon BCCI. If BCCI sends us, because they have already sent us SOP. SOP is little bit complicated, but we have made ourselves ready. Just in case BCCI decides to hold these Ranji Trophy matches, we have got no other option but to play. But our club matches and then we have these school matches, school tournaments and all, I don't think so. It is possible till the time vaccine comes. We are still, this thing we can wait till December and all and then call it. I welcome you for this press briefing. Since this general body was virtual, this press briefing is also virtual. These unprecedented times, we have to find out unprecedented techniques to handle this COVID. So today we had this AGM virtually. The business as per rule was very simple. First is to read and confirm the minutes, then to receive and adopt the annual statement, and then appoint internal auditors and all, and any other business. Any other business there was nothing, because when you take up any other business, there should be some discussion. With this virtual type of a thing, we avoided to take much thing under any other business. But all these items was unanimously adopted and passed by the general body. Then we briefed the general body about the decision of the managing committee, some of the decisions which we have taken. Like we have taken decision to develop some grounds, because we had 5-6 grounds. We wanted about 2-3 grounds in other talukas where we don't have. So Dar Banoda is one. I thank, by this press briefing, I thank the Panchayat of Dar Banoda for this graciousness shown to us and giving us that ground. So we will be entering into an agreement with them for 9 years and we will fully develop their ground. We have a specific model where we have 2 pitches and then we have side pitches, so that there can be a regular cricket as well as the camps and all. So the youth from there, they can practice there, and then we will provide them all coachings and all other techniques is available. So Dar Banoda is one, and then Mashe. Mashe, we are going to, the Panchayat also has given us the permission to do that. So we are going to shortly enter into an agreement with them. We are going to do that in Mashe. Third is we are going to upgrade our Sangya ground. Sangye ground was developed long back, so that requires upgradation and relaying. I don't know. We have asked our department to do the survey and submit report to me. After that report comes, you will take the decision what work to take up this. Then Porvorim ground, I think so we need to replace some sprinkler system or a drainage system. That also we have told them, just to identify. This work we are doing this year because we have a time.